the island, sparkling and shining, a diamond's delight. E is for elephant, elephant, big and gray, an elephant's race. F is for fish, fish, swimming in the sea, a fish goes swish. G is for giraffe, giraffe, full and spotted, a fish goes swish, goes swish. Hat, wear it on your head, a hat so neat. I is for igloo, igloo, cold and round, an igloo is found. J is for jelly, jelly, wobbly and sweet, jelly to eat. K is for kite, kite, flying high, a kite in the sky. L is for lollipop, lollipop, colorful and sweet, a lollipop tree. M is for monkey, monkey, swimming in the trees, a monkey plays. N is for nest, nest, home for birds, a nest to rest. O is for octopus, octopus, 8 long arms, and octopus swims. P is for penguin, penguin, waddling on ice, a penguin slides. Q is for queen, queen, royal and grand, a queen commands. R is for rainbow, rainbow, colors in the sky, a rainbow shines. S is for sun, sun, bright and warm, the sun brings fun. T is for train wind, T-rain, choo-choo goes the train down the track. U is for umbrella, umbrella, keeps you dry, an umbrella so high. V is for umbrella, keeps you dry, an umbrella so high. V is for violin, violin, play a tune, a violin song. W is for well, big and blue, a well in the sea. X is for xylophone, xylophone, play a tune, a violin's fine. Y is for yacht, yacht, sailing away, a yacht on the bay. Z is for zebra, zebra, striped and gold, a zebra stands tall.